Okay, pre. So, unahan ko na kayo. Haba itong video na to dahil, ito ay ang pinakamahal na local inspired fragrances dito sa atin, pre. So, as far as I know, sa mga nakikita ko, ito yung pinakamahal na price range. No? So, this is from Overdose, Manila. So, pinadalhan nila tayo ng mga decants and, sabi ko sa kanila kasi nag-message sila sa akin because of the video na ginawa ko nga, no? Local fragrances are getting expensive, no? So, nag-message sila sa akin na magpapadala sila ng decants for us to try out. I think they wanted to prove something, man. Anyway, saludo ko sa kanila sa pagiging confident dito sa product nila, no? But of course, we have to judge it para malaman talaga natin. No? So, let's do this. Okay. Right, so these are like, I don't know how many ml, maybe 4. Hindi ko alam kung ano tong... Oh, okay. So, we have here their copy of Tom Ford Fucking Fabulous Sergio of Tony Iommi Monkey Special. I have this one from Gem Perfumery and that's my favorite. Kaya ito yung kinuha ko. And then, we have here as well, Dior Sauvage Elixir, which is my OG ako. Kaya siya yung kinuha ko. So, there's really a reason bakit ito yung mga pinili ko, man. Yan, tayong comparison dyan. And Meteor, dahil nirecommend to nung isang nag-comment, no? From Overdose. Kinuha ko yung Fucking Fabulous kasi I'm a Tom Ford guy, no? But anyways, tama na ito pinagkasabi ko, test na natin. Okay, paper strip. Okay, unahin na natin si Dior Sauvage Elixir, okay? Para ma-side by side natin sa OG, man. Hindi ko na-amin yung OG kasi alam ko naman namin yan, man. Yeah, it's really close. Kuha niya yung nuclear projection na ito. Yung very warm spices. Maybe around 90%, pre. 90 to 95%. I mean, for their price range, dapat talaga makuha nila to. So, I mean, salute, man. Almost 1-to-1. Yeah, nakuha talaga nila ng Sauvage Elixir. As in, try nyo, pre. May mga booth naman sila. But I have to say, kuha nila tong Sauvage Elixir. Okay, next is, Tony Iommi, Monkey Special. Test na natin. Ooh, interesting. So this is a much smoother copy than Gem Perfumery. Not bad. Okay, but I would have to say I would prefer the one from Gem Perfumery. Mas amoy beer kasi yun, no? May raspiness yung amoy niya, men. Parang may kind of fizzy beer type of scent doon. Dito, hindi ko siya masyado makuha. But dito, mas nakukuha ko talaga yung amoy ng ram. Amoy yung ram dito. So, hindi ko pa naamoy yung OG na ito, but I would think this is much closer to OG, but I prefer the one from Gem Perfumery. So, okay. Pangatlo pala. Sorry. This is their take on Tom Ford Fucking Fabulous, man. Let's do this. Oh, by the way, this is it's not my most favorite Tom Ford. Maybe second. Top 2 ko siguro, eh. 1-to-1. This is 1-to-1. 1-to-1 to, pre. Kuha nila to. I'm very confident. Kuha nila tong Tom Ford, man. Kuha nyo Overdose, man. Nice. Okay. But, di pa natin natatest yung mga performance nito. I'm just basing scent-wise, no? So, this one is, sorry natin ko, man. This is their Meteor take from LV. So, let's see. Wala akong idea sa amin nito. So, I'm really just basing it on kung gaano ka-smooth yung kanilang blend. May sabon. I don't really think that LV fragrances are for me. I don't like it. Yes, you heard me right. Hindi ko trip si Meteor. Hindi talaga, pre. Mabango siya, men. Don't get me wrong. Mabango siya. But for the hype of this one, and it's just a very clean soapy fragrance, no? But yun nga, not really for me. If you know me, hindi ako ganon ka-fan ng soapy fragrance, no? So, overall, conclusion sa Overdose. So, sasagutin na natin kung worth ba talaga ang price na itong Overdose. Kasi ranging nga, again, ng 2,000 to 3,000 pesos ang kanilang fragrance for a 50 ml bottle. And to be honest, that's really expensive, man. Ang mahal nun, no? Pero, ito, sasagutin ko na, worth it ba talaga o hindi? Base dito sa mga to. And my answer would be yes and no. So, yes and no. Why? Yes, it would be worth it, especially kung gusto mo talaga ng very close to OG and you have the budget, but gusto mo makatipid ng konti, then Overdose is the one. It is also worth it, especially if talaga namang may pambili ka ng OG na itong mga kinokopya nilang fragrance, but alam mo yun, may pambili ka na hindi ka magugutom kinabukasan, pre, ha? Ganon. This is really worth it. But if you're just a casual na gusto lang naman bumango, gusto mo lang naman na maka-experience lang ba ng iba-ibang fragrance, for the quality, this is not worth it for you guys. I don't mean na pangit yung quality, guys, ha. Sobrang ganda ng quality nila. What I mean is, the cheaper locals can also get you somewhere there, no? Sa kung ano yung gusto mong fragrance. Especially kung gusto mo lang naman talaga bumango. But talaga maarte ka, men, then Overdose is the one for you. But yun nga, again, if you're just a casual, gusto mo lang bumango, you don't really have to purchase something on this price point. Real truth lang, guys, no? But talaga maarte ka, no? At talagang gusto mo na maging in-depth on fragrances, try out Overdose, man. So yun lang. By the way, thank you again, Overdose, for sending this out. And pumayag kayo na mag-honest reaction ako dito, men. So, yun lang naman. Peace.